Hi, welcome to tutorial number 52 for CSCI 130 Introduction to Programming here at the University of Wisconsin Parkside. I just decided to add an optional part to this posting. Just was checking I just was giving a revision to the code and I say, well, maybe we can add something optional. I mean, I think it's already big enough for you to submit it, so it's fine like this. But I'm gonna add a component over here uh, when I was working with this, I said, well, I think we need to do that. So I'm gonna try that one more time. So I'm gonna click over here, and then we're gonna say if radio button one dot check equals true. Okay, true, and then we're gonna say, well, here, then this is what we have before. Then we say display grades, right? And then this is what we noticed when I was pressing F5. Look, it's displaying the grades for the student 0. We don't have the student 0 yet, right? So then we need to say wait, and also counter is greater than 0. Okay, and then I noticed that there will be another change. So now if I press F5, okay, it doesn't now show me that student until I actually have one. So 56, 78, then it says submit grades, and then it's okay. Now if I change it here, it doesn't do anything because I didn't program this, but then here it's adding another student because it's calling the function display grades, and display grades has the counter yet on. So let's do something else. I mean, that's what I said, this is optional. I mean, what we have before is okay. So you notice here, I'm doing the counter after I display grade. So now if I move the counter, Control X, Control V, and I put it there, then when I display grades, it's gonna be messing whatever I have here in my for loop. So I need to say counter -1, and then here counter -1. Okay, so now let's try one more time, F5. So it's okay, 56, 78, submit grades, and it's fine. Now if I change this to letter, and then I do 34, 56, 67, then it gets that. Now let's see, if I click on numeric, there, it changed that to numeric. Now letter is not working because we did not program that, but we can do the same thing. So let's put that on letter and add another student. 100, 100, 89, there. Okay, so we can do the same with the other button. So let's click, and then do this, copy, and then do this. Now this is button 2. Okay, let's press F5, and let's see that works. So we got 30, 56, 90. Okay, good. Now what about if we click letter? Yeah, numeric was working for you. So you can see the letter in numeric. Now it works beautiful. So here, you see how that changes. So now 90, 99, 98, submit grades. These are all 8s. Then 90, 90, 100. Now the class average goes up, 100, 100, 100. Okay, then if I wanted to see numeric, I see the numeric. I want to see letter. Beautiful. Now just one more thing. When we're entering grades, we're supposed that this is, I don't remember how many students, but let's suppose that we got a number of students. Well, let's check over here. Well, we should have that in our code. we're expecting 10 students. Okay, so when we're entering the grades, we could disable this after 10 students. So here we can make a decision. If counter uh, greater or equal than 9, that means we already got the 10 students, right? Then we want the group box to be disabled. So group box 1 dot enable equals false. There. So this is also optional. So now I had that if statement. So what is it, what is this doing? Okay, well, after 10 students, this whole thing is disabled. That means I'm not able to add any more students, and that's it. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna be adding anything else. I'm gonna post right now all these codes. So remember, this part is optional and these two are optional, but I think they look really nice if you add those two to your code. Okay, thank you.